Hello everyone, today I would like to clarify the difference between law of large numbers, LLN, and central limited theory, CLT. And before I start this class, I have to suppose that all of you have already know exactly what population sample, population distribution, sample distribution, mean, variance, and normal distribution. Okay, and I will start by giving you the definition of these two and give you an example to illustrate it. Okay, and first, what is law of large number? LLN, what is that? You can find a definition in your textbook or on the internet. Said, as your sample size n become larger, then its sample mean will approach more to the population mean. And I will give you an example. If today I'm interested in knowing that what is the exact average student height in UMM, and because some of the reason like cost, I can know all the student height, so I can know the exact average student height. Okay, so I have to do sampling, and then I can choose to pick only 10 people from my population randomly and get the first sample mean, right? Sample mean height. Or I can choose to pick 1,000 people from my population randomly and get the second sample mean height, right? Say second sample mean height, right? And so the LLN tells us that the sample mean with sample size 1,000 will be more approach to the population mean, which I'm interested in. Than the sample mean with sample size 10. Okay, and I mean that if today I want to guess the exact average student height in UMM, I will use sample mean with sample size as large as I could. Okay. And second, what is central limited theory, CLT? What is that? And also you can find a definition in your textbook or in other ways. Say, as n sample size become larger, then its sample distribution of sample mean will approach to normal distribution with its mean equal to the population mean and its variance equal to the population variance over sample size n. Okay, and continue the example of student height in UMM. And today, because I want to know the sample distribution, so I have to do the sampling many times. Okay, I can pick 10 people from my population, right? And then I pick these 10 people up and get the sample mean. I get a sample mean height, right? And I put these 10 people back to the population, and I pick 10 people again, and pick 10 people again randomly, and I will get another sample mean height, right? And I put this 10 again, I pick again and count again, put this again, count again. So, and then I will get a lot of sample mean, right? And then I will know the distribution of the sample mean. Okay. Thus, we can say that each sample size has its corresponding sample distribution. And so, if there are 3 sample distribution with sample size 10, 100, and 1,000, and by the CLT, we will know that the sample distribution with sample size 1,000 will be more approach to the normal distribution than the other 2 sample distribution with sample size 10 and 100. Okay, and next, you have to remember that because there are no assumption about population distribution. So no assumption about population distribution in CLT and LLN. So these two can be used widely in many advanced statistical proof. Yes, and I mean that if I still can, the CLT and LLN still work, and if even though if I don't know the exact distribution of the student height in UMM, right? I mean that means the example I give you. Okay, and then that's it. I hope that I did help you know the difference between these two. Thank you. Bye bye.